What is physics? Unraveling the wonders around us. Why is the sky blue? Why do magnets stick together? Why does water turn into ice when cooled? They are full of wonders around you. Physics explains everything from the indivisible small to the universe. Let's have fun and solve them together. Number 1, how physics can help your life. If you want to become a scientist or engineer in the future, be sure to study physics. Because physics is the basis of all natural sciences. There are various fields of natural science studied at university, such as chemistry, biology, and electrical and electronic engineering, all of which are based on physics. Although I majored in chemistry, I realized that knowledge of physics was indispensable for deepening my studies in chemistry, so I decided to start studying physics in the middle. This also applies to other subjects other than chemistry. Conversely, studying physics makes it easier to study other natural sciences. Most of the work in the world is other than scientists and engineers. I don't think physics is useful when doing work that is not related to science. However, money is not everything in the world. Nature is very beautiful and full of wonders. If you can notice such beauty while you are busy with your daily life, it may be a healing moment. This site will explain physics in an easy to understand manner without using mathematical formulas as much as possible, so please find your free time and enjoy yourself. Number 2, my experience. Although I majored in chemistry, I realized that knowledge of physics was indispensable for mastering chemistry, so I started studying physics halfway through. Gradually, I was fascinated by the fun of physics, and in my 4th year at university, I joined the Physical Society of Japan. Physics is the basis of all natural sciences, but it is the most difficult subject. To learn physics, you have to decipher difficult mathematical formulas, and most people are frustrated. I also spent a lot of time deciphering mathematical formulas, and I ended up studying very inefficiently. I would like everyone who visits this site to study efficiently. I will introduce the main points of physics without using mathematical formulas as much as possible. For those who want to learn more, we also introduce recommended reference books. If you can master physics, most studies will be easy to master, so do your best. Number 3, precautions for learning physics. Firstly, do not read technical books suddenly. Difficult mathematical formulas are written in physics technical books. Concentrating on deciphering this made me confused about the main points of physics, what was written after all. It often happens. It is recommended that you first read a brief commentary without mathematical formulas, understand the main points of physics, and then read a technical book. However, there are few simple explanations without mathematical formulas. Secondly, be aware of the order of learning. There are various fields in physics, but if you make a mistake in the order of learning, you will be hard to understand it. Start by learning mechanics, which is the basis of physics. After that, it is easier to understand if you proceed to thermodynamics or electromagnetism. This site arranges physics in an order that makes it easy to learn, so if you are a beginner, please read from the top of the table of contents.